Ernie, this is that truck right here, Mazda. Got a trailer hitch. Don't smoke. Started right up when he hit it. 5-speed. Needs cleaned out, but ain't nothing ripped up or nothing in it. Just needs swept out and cleaned.
It does have a brown sticker on it.
Got a brown sticker on it. Paint looks good on it. Shiny and red. Running good. Ain't no dents. Huh? Oh, okay. Said he'd like to get 2,000 for it, Ernie, just for you.
It does more.
It's an 04 model.
You ain't get my Indian tag.
You can't have his Cleveland Indian tag. A B3000 with a B6.
Look at that battery.
New battery. Air and all work on it, does.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Freeze your ass off.
It's like brand new under the hood.
Yeah.
Yeah, Ernie will probably be down here tomorrow to buy that damn thing. He won't be able to stand it.
Well,
All right then. Got a Long Ranger and tonneau cover on it. Got a Reese hitch, spare tire. No
there's
dents.
a bed liner.
Bed liner in it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. All right, Ernie. Just thought I'd check it out for you.
I might have a thing I might be able to give him. Throw in there.
He got about 20 of them.
Yeah, you don't need one.
He don't need one of them things thrown in there for that kind of money. All right, Ernie. I'm gonna pass on this and send it to you. And
Harley Davidson, Cleveland
Yeah.
Brown people,
there's your family sticker.
Cavalier.
Yeah. Sliding rear glass.
You look good in here, Ernie.
That's right. You have it all done up right and pass it on to Chase when he gets old enough to drive.
Yeah.
All right, that's it, dude. I'm gonna send this to you.